We all dream of financial freedom, but sometimes it feels like living below our means giving up joy. Prices keep climbing: housing, food, even a night out, and it's easy to think saving equals missing out. But here's the truth: if we spend everything we earn, stress is inevitable. No raise or promotion will fix overspending without a mindset shift. We're told to measure success by what we own, not what we keep. But real security comes from the space between income and spending. That gap is your freedom, your ability to choose, to breathe, to live without constant worry. And you don't have to sacrifice joy to have it. Living below your means isn't about saying no to everything, it's about saying yes to what matters most. People who've mastered this live richly in experiences, not in expenses. They choose memories over things, and peace of mind over constant upgrades. That's the kind of wealth that lasts. This is your chance to rewrite your story, to choose financial freedom over constant chasing. It's not about less life, it's about more life that actually matters. And it all starts with one decision: to live under your means without feeling deprived. Imagine having more money left over each month without feeling like you're missing out on life. Sounds impossible. It's not. You just have to know the secret. Hi, I'm John, your guide here on Cash Plan with John. Your journey of financial freedom starts here. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss tips that can change your financial life. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm sharing insights and strategies you can adapt to your own situation. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful steps to live below your means without feeling deprived through relatable stories, simple strategies, and real-life examples. Grab a pen, take notes, and let's change the way you think about money. Life is like a giant buffet. You don't have to take everything to be satisfied. The secret is filling your plate with what you truly enjoy, not what looks impressive to others. When you stop chasing everything, you start savoring enough. That's the first step toward feeling truly rich. Happiness isn't found in a closet full of stuff, but in the peace that comes from knowing you're secure. When your bills are small, your stress shrinks too. Fewer expenses mean more freedom to do what matters. That's the kind of wealth money can't measure. Being rich isn't about flashing the newest thing, it's about choosing what lasts. A few high-quality items can bring more joy than a pile of cheap, forgettable ones. It's not about impressing the crowd, but delighting yourself. That's when spending feels worth it. True wealth is living in alignment with what matters most to you. It's knowing your priorities and letting go of what doesn't serve them. You stop living by other people's scorecards and start creating your own. That's when life starts feeling full, no matter the number in your bank account. Imagine your money as water in a bucket. To control where it flows, every hole in the bucket is an expense, and it's up to you to choose which ones stay open. If you don't keep an eye on it, the water drains faster than you can fill it. But if you're mindful, that bucket can stay full and ready for the things you truly want. Before you buy something, pause and ask yourself, will this still matter to me next month? Social media can tempt us into buying just because it looks cool in the moment. But those quick purchases often lose their shine fast. Instead, focus on things that will keep adding joy long after the excitement fades. Give yourself simple rules to protect your wallet, like waiting 48 hours before buying anything over $50. That pause gives your brain time to decide if it's truly worth it. Many times, you'll realize you didn't actually need it at all. This little habit can save you from a lot of regret. Every dollar you save can be a step towards something exciting like travel, freedom, or retiring early. Instead of thinking about what you're giving up, focus on what you're building. Picture yourself on that dream trip or living a life you design. That's the real reward for living below your means. Fun doesn't have to be expensive, like seasoning in a dish. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a whole weekend at a pricey resort to feel joy. Sometimes a picnic at the park or laughing over a silly joke can be more satisfying. It's about sprinkling small moments into your life that make it richer without draining your wallet. Instead of always spending on pricey outings, look for free or low-cost adventures. Maybe there's a hidden hiking trail nearby or a community concert under the stars. You'll be surprised how exciting these experiences can feel when shared with friends. It's about Choosing discovery over debt. Plan splurge days like special celebrations instead of spending constantly. This way, treats feel exciting and memorable. Maybe it's that one fancy dinner you've been saving for, or a spontaneous beach trip. By making them rare, you give them more meaning. The best traditions aren't built on money, they're built on connection. Maybe it's weekly game night, cooking together, or storytelling around a campfire. These moments create bonds that last far longer than anything you could buy. Connection is the real treasure. Imagine your money as a self-driving car. You set the destination, and it takes you there without stress. Once you've told it where to go, you can relax and enjoy the ride. No sudden turns, no missed exits, just steady progress toward your goals. That's what automating your finances feels like. Before you even touch your paycheck, let an automatic transfer move a slice into savings. That way, the money grows quietly while you live your life. You won't even miss it because it's gone before temptation arrives. This is how your future self gets a thank you note from you. Set up automatic payments for debt so late fees never sneak up on you. Think of it like a protective shield that blocks surprise attacks. Every month, your bills are handled while you focus on bigger adventures. This keeps your credit score safe and your mind clear. Divide your money into separate accounts for bills, spending, and savings. It's like giving each dollar a mission. This keeps your budget organized and your goals on track. Review your system every few months so it adapts as your life changes. That way, your plan stays fresh and effective. Lifestyle creep is like filling your closet until you can't find your favorite shirt. You keep buying more, thinking it will make you happier, but it only hides what you already love. The more you add, the less you appreciate what's there. Gratitude lets you see your favorite pieces again. Before you rush to buy the next new thing, take a moment to enjoy what you already have. Let yourself truly experience the value, the story, and the joy in it. When you savor what you own, you stop feeling like you're missing out. It's like letting your favorite song play all the way through before changing the station. Celebrate your milestones, not just the things you buy. Achievements last far longer in your heart than the shine of something new. Think about the moments you've worked for and how they've shaped you. That's a wealth no store can sell. Social media is a highlight reel, not the full movie. Comparing your life to it is like comparing a movie trailer to real life. It's only showing the best parts. Focus on your own journey, not someone else's edits. You'll realize you already have a great story unfolding. Every dollar you earn is like a tiny employee. You can either send them out to work and bring back more friends, or waste them on a vacation they never return from. When you start thinking of your money this way, you naturally pause before spending. It's not about deprivation, it's about giving your money a job. Every purchase is a trade-off. If you buy something now, you give up the chance for that money to grow into more. Investors see the long game, asking, will this make me richer or just emptier? That shift in thinking changes what you value. Instead of chasing shiny things that lose value, choose things that grow over time. A car might make you happy for a moment, but a smart investment keeps rewarding you for years. It's like planting a tree instead of buying a bouquet. One fades, the other flourishes. Your job shouldn't be your only source of income. Imagine building streams that keep flowing even while you sleep. Investments, side projects, or rental income. This is how you gain freedom and peace of mind. Money starts working for you, not the other way around. Think of your money habits like plants. They need the right soil to grow. If you keep them in a toxic environment, they'll wither. But when surrounded by supportive people, they thrive and flourish. Your environment can make or break your financial future. Spend time with people who respect money boundaries. These are the ones who don't pressure you to spend, but encourage you to save and invest. Their energy makes smart choices feel exciting instead of boring. Being around them is like having a personal cheer squad for your goals. Avoid falling into peer pressure spending traps. Sometimes friends might want you to join in on expensive adventures you can't afford. You don't have to say yes to fit in. True friends respect your choices and boundaries. Share your goals with someone who will hold you accountable. It's easier to stay on track when you know someone is cheering you on and checking in. They can remind you why you started. When motivation fades, A good accountability partner is like a compass in your financial journey. Today we uncovered 7 steps to living below your means, without feeling deprived, from redefining what rich means to surrounding yourself with the right people. It's not about restriction, it's about freedom. When you master your money, you buy yourself choices, time, and peace of mind. If you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about which step you're starting with today. This is Cash Plan with John. Your journey of financial freedom starts here. Here's to building a life you love with money that works for you, not against you. See you in the next video.